Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas. And yes, you can see that the pumpkin is there, so we are all ready for Halloween. And I have my candle burning here, so just to let the aroma into the room. And that, funnily enough, is what this video is all about, because as winter is coming in now and it's getting a lot colder, the windows are not staying open for longer for that nice fresh air that used to come in the spring and summertime to let all the, let all the freshness in. So, video is all about this little gadget here, which I got from Amazon. I'm just going to open it up. And that pumpkin over there as well, hopefully I'm going to do a video with carving that pumpkin, so it's ready and waiting. So, oh, it's quite a small package, and the rest is just paper. Okay, so I didn't expect it to be this small. So, okay, let's see if I can get this open without using any scissors. Okay, so I would just get everything out of the box. So first we have the plug to plug in the diffuser, and we also have an instruction manual, so I will read that a little bit later. We have a water beaker because you obviously need the water, and we have the diffuser, and look at that in this lovely wooden effect, and obviously this glows up as well, which is going to look really nice in the evening. And so that's where you'd put your water in there alongside your oils, and as you can see there is a little hole in here, and that's where all your beautiful aromas will come out. It also has 3 digits at the front here, so there's an on, and there's, I mean, there must be different types of 1 hour, 3 hours, 6 hour and on. So that's really great. So really lovely. Okay, so I have got 3 oils as well, and I have bought the sandalwood. I love sandalwood. Big fan of sandalwood, very earthy aromas, and very warm smells, so I love sandalwood. So I have sandalwood fragrance oil here. I also purchased lavender, big fan of lavender, and also it's very calming, so I have some lavender here. And finally, I have jasmine, because of all the flowers that are going around. Jasmine is one of my favourite smells of the flowers, so I have jasmine and I can't wait. And I also love jasmine tea, so jasmine is another one of my favourite aromas, so I've done jasmine as well. So now I think what we need to do is show you the setup of getting the water in there with the few drops of the fragrance oils, and then turn it on, and let's see how this looks. So let's do that now. Okay, so as you can see, I have my diffuser now in the kitchen, and I am just looking at the instructions. So okay, so we need to connect the AC adapter to the power cord into the DC input jack at the side of the Aroma Diffuser. So we need to be plugging in. We need to pour water and essence oil into the Aroma Diffuser. Do not use boiling water. Do not fill when power is on. It is recommended to add 2 to 3 drops of essential oils for each 100 ml of water. Set the cover back on the base. Spout is adjustable to guide aroma into desired direction. Oh, that's nice. Aroma diffuser must not be operated without the cover. Plug in the diffuser into the power outlet. Right, to let out the mist, press. Okay, that's to turn on mist. We need to press, and it's obviously, you can see there. Okay, so I mean, it's pretty much straightforward. And we got to press the star to turn on the LED lights. Brightness is adjustable through the following circle. Okay, So it's recommended that when it's not in use, you have to keep it dry, okay? And it will automatically shut off when there is insufficient water, which is great. So it lets you know, and it automatically turns off. As you know, we are all about forgetting, and we're all very busy people, so it's always handy to have that function. So I'm just going to fill that up with water now, and let me just fill this up. A little bit over. Okay, so I'm just going to be filling my base up with the water. Okay, there, water in. That was just 100 ml. We're just going to start off, and then I think I might actually just go with the jasmine. I don't know, I might just do the jasmine one, and I'll put 2 to 3 drops in there. So let's do that now. That really does smell of jasmine. So one. There we go. I'm happy with that. That really does smell of jasmine, that oil. That's going to be great. I cannot wait to smell this, and also have the lights on. So then we're going to put this lid back on. Lovely. And then I'm going to be plugging this in. Okay, so we're here where we're going to be plugging this in. I'm just going to be taking these things are so fiddly. Okay, right. Oh, we've got a good stretch of wire there. That's great. Okay, so I'm just going to be finding where we plug this in. Up close and personal on this product. Can we see it now? There we go. So I think we have to press this one. Oh, can you see that red colour? Oh, you can hear it. Oh, I don't know whether you can see that smoke coming out there. Wow. Oh, and it changes colour. That's really nice. I'm going to take this candle out now. You can really smell the jasmine. I'm actually liking the fact that they're using the essential oils. Really nice. It's really nice. I love this. I think it's going to be more effective in the evening time when the lights are down. I will actually show footage of that, so I'm going to be putting it on again later, and that you just get to see that nice glow, how it would look. But maybe I'll use the lavender. I think I might use the lavender in the evening because it's very calming, and it's what I would need just before I get ready for bed. So I'll do the jasmine one in the evening, and this is the lavender one in the evening. This is the jasmine one going on now. And like I said, you can definitely smell the jasmine. So, and I think what I'm going to do is, you know, when you leave things for a while, I don't know, but you know, like when it's in the moment and you're actually doing it, you can smell it, but it's not, you don't have that impact. And then when you go away and you come back, and then it kind of like goes, whoa, I can really, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this run, let this go, and then leave it for a while, and then maybe, you know, go out, come back, and then when I come in, I definitely will know what it smells like in here, because when you're in here, you don't get the, it's always like when someone comes to you and goes, oh, something smells nice, and you actually go, oh, really, does it? Because you've been in it the whole of the time. So it's more of an impact when you've gone away, smelt some different smells, come back in, and then you can really smell what, you know, when you've got guests, you really know how much of an impact this is having. So I'll do that later, and then I will also show you the the diffuser in the evening so that you get to see the glowing lights. But like I said, I got this from Amazon. I will put a link down below, not only for the diffuser but also for the oils as well, because you know people love using oils for tea lights and things like this. So I will put the links down below for those. And like I said, I got the Jasmine, I got the Sandalwood, and I also got the Lavender, because those are just my favourite essence. So you know, you might have different ones, but I'll put my ones down just in case you're interested. Like I said, they're all from Amazon. I don't know whether you can see the smoke yet. See it more. Okay, so yeah, so I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, you can get this in the white depending on your choice, and I liked the earthy brown one because it just goes with my lamp as well, and a lot more of my decor. So yes, I do hope that you enjoyed this video. Another fabulous idea for aromas in your home, and obviously it's mobile. You can use it in any room of the house, or you can reuse it in multiple rooms of the house, and just, you know, keep moving it around with different essence smells, and you can change as you want. And also it's electric, so it's great, it can always be in use. And I love the glow. It's another additional little lamp as well in the evening time. So I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you're new here, then a very big welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe for more fabulous ideas. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit on notification for more videos. And I do hope that you enjoyed this one today. Don't forget the end, because I'm going to show you this in the night time. So